Hey crew, today's video will be white chocolate cranberry cookies. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have baking powder, salt, white chocolate, cranberries, butter, brown sugar, vanilla flavor, white sugar, and all-purpose flour. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our white chocolate cranberry cookies. Okay crew, so we're going to get into our white chocolate cranberry cookies, and we're going to start with our dry ingredients first. And we're going to go in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're just gonna sift this together. And you don't have to do this, you can just use a whisk and put all your dry ingredients in your bowl and whisk it together. Okay, so for our butter and sugar mixture, we're gonna use 1 stick and a half of butter, a half a cup of regular sugar, and a half a cup of brown sugar. We're gonna cream that together until it's light and fluffy. Okay crew, so once you cream your butter and your sugar together, you just want to push down your edges and make sure that everything is combined well, and make sure that all the sugar crystals isn't left in the bowl. So we're gonna add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and 2 teaspoons of orange juice. You can add orange zest if you want to. It would do the same thing as the orange juice. It's just gonna help with the acidity level of the cranberries, and it's gonna bring out more of the tartness flavor. So it's kind of like that sweet and tart and kind of tangy thing. Like, man, that combo is so awesome. Once you have added your egg, your orange juice, and your vanilla flavor, you just want to mix it until it's combined. And once you do that, you want to turn it off, go in, push down the sides of your bowl, and scrape the bottom of the bowl and make sure everything is mixed and combined well. Then you want to go in with your cookie flour mixture. You just want to mix your flour in until you form a light dough. And I must say that this is not a real wet dough. It's wet a little bit, but it's more on the dry side. But trust the process. The dough is kind of hard, but trust me, your cookies will turn out chewy and your cookies will be soft. And y'all will see the final results. So always trust the process. Okay, so moving right along, I have 2 of the Baker's white chocolate bars, and I will cut up both of them. Y'all will see how I will cut those up.
goddamn baby. This is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you. I will love you like a queen.
I'm gonna use 2 cups of fresh cranberries. You can use dry cranberries. And I will say that with the fresh cranberries, I soaked these for 15 minutes before I went to use them. The only reason I soaked these is because I wanted them to be a little softer and it would help them cook much smoother within the cookie batter. But if you use dry cranberries, your cooking time will be less. So it may vary 3 to 5 minutes since you're using dry cranberries. So you want to keep a check on that. So you can go the dry cranberry way, but I chose to use fresh cranberries. Okay, crew, so I did take my cookie dough from my kitchen mixer bowl and put it into a bigger bowl. And I did this to make sure that I can mix the white chocolate and the cranberries even throughout the dough, because you want white chocolate and cranberry in every bite of your cookie. This dough do not have to be chilled before you put it on your cookie sheet, but I do recommend that you don't have to use a 3 tablespoon cookie scoop. I did because I wanted a little bit bigger cookies, but this cookie dough will yield up to 36 cookies. I only got, I think, 19 or 20 out of it because, like I said, once again, it was 3 tablespoon cookie scoop. And I only put 6 on this first cookie sheet. But I could have went up to 9, but I just wanted to make sure that everything baked well, and I just want to see how it would turn out the very first time. And you want to place your cookies 2 inches apart. And hey, if you have parchment paper, hey, use it. It's easy. You ain't got to worry about your cookies sticking or none of that. And I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up of our cookies before they go in the oven. Then right after that, after they come out the oven. Okay, crew, you want to bake your cranberry white chocolate cookies 15 to 20 minutes, or you may want to check them before that time frame and make sure they're just brown on the bottom. Okay, crew, so our cranberry white chocolate cookies are done, and I got Queen on the camera. Shout out to her. I just want to say thank you for always helping me and always being there for me. So she gonna give y'all a close-up of the cookies. Then I'm gonna break one and show y'all the inside. Then we're gonna move on to the taste test.
I know which one I want.
So I'm gonna take this one right here, y'all. And I'm gonna break it for y'all. Make sure to break in the middle. You don't want to break in the middle, but that's what the inside look like. We're gonna let Queen try it, and she's gonna give y'all her honest opinion. So she going in for that one, y'all.
Oh, it's soft.
And I'm gonna try this piece right here, y'all.
Oh my god. I see why Auntie be having them express these some good. The cranberries. Excuse me, y'all. The cranberries are sweet with that little tartness. The white, excuse me if I say it wrong, white chocolate. Is it white chocolate? Okay. The white chocolate is perfect. The cookie is soft. These not gonna last. And
And
moist. Good.
I also added a little bit of orange juice. That kind of help with the acidity and the tanginess of the cranberry to make it pop a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, because it's not like, it's like a sweet cookie that you get a headache or anything. The cranberries give it that perfect, what you call it? I don't know. It's good. Try the cookie, y'all.
Alright, y'all. So thank y'all for watching. Queen gave y'all her honest opinion. I hope y'all try the cookies out. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.